everyone, my name is Pitrawati. I'm from class management 25, and today I would like to present my product called EcoSafe Smart Reusable Bottle. EcoSmart is a smart reusable water bottle designed to help people drink enough water every day. It combines modern technology with an eco-friendly design to support a healthier lifestyle and reduce plastic waste. The problem: many people forget to drink enough water, buy single-use plastic bottle every day, and do not monitor the daily water intake. Our solution: how does EcoSafe work? EcoSafe help user by sending reminder to drink water, tracking daily water intake, displaying the temperature of the drink, and keeping drink hot or cool for hours. And K for tour, a smart hydration reminder, lead temperature display, connect to mobile apps, long lasting reachable battery, leaks proof design made from eco-friendly material. And benefit: there are many benefits of us EcoSafe. It helps people stay hydrated, support a healthy lifestyle, save money because users do not need to buy uh, what bottled water every day, and help reduce plastic wasted. And target market: EcoSafe is suitable for many people, such as students, office workers, athletes, travel, and anyone who wants to live a healthy and greener life. Uh, the price of EcoSafe and 250.000. The packaging include one smart bottle, one USB charger, and user manual, and a 1-year warranty. Why choose EcoSafe? Why should you choose EcoSafe? Because it's smart, practical, stylish, and any environmentally friendly. EcoSafe is not just a water bottle; it's a product that help improve your health and protect your planet. Thank you. Thank you for attention. Take care. See you next video. Bye.